For accurate results during a transmission, absorption, reflection, irradiance, or color measurement, a good dark measurement is necessary. Taking this dark measurement often requires manual intervention, such as covering the sensor or switching off the light. This might prove to be problematic in certain application scenarios. The Avantes solution, a remote-controlled shutter positioned between the spectrometer entrance and the input fiber. Avantes direct attach shutter is the ideal accessory to facilitate automatic true dark measurements. This shutter is operated via TTL pulses from either an external source or an Avispec spectrometer through a control cable. The shutter is directly attached to the spectrometer's SMA input connector. The fiber cable that is normally connected to the spectrometer is then connected to the shutter. This shutter unit, as well as the power source and TTL control signal, is connected to the control box. The remote shutter can then be operated directly from the software for acquisition of dark measurements, with no further changes to the experimental setup. For more information about the Avantes direct attach shutter, please visit Avantes.com.